CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.1 Explain the value of data and information. Big data. By now, you've seen how data analytics can reveal trends, answer questions, and support smarter decisions. But what happens when the data itself grows so large and complex that traditional tools can't manage it? That's when we enter the world of big data. Big data refers to datasets that are so large, fast-moving, or diverse that they require special tools and techniques to store, process, and analyze it. It's not just about having a lot of data, it's about handling data that grows quickly and comes in all shapes and sizes. To really understand big data, we often break it down into 5 key characteristics. These are known as the 5 V's. First up is volume. This refers to the massive amount of data being collected. We're talking terabytes, or even petabytes, from sources like social media, sensors, or online transactions. Next is velocity, the speed at which data is being generated and needs to be processed. Think about real-time updates like stock prices, live sports scores, or streaming activity. Then there's variety. Big data comes in many different forms. It's not just neatly organized tables. It also includes text, videos, audio files, images, weblogs, and data from smart devices or IoT sensors. Veracity is all about trust. If the data is messy, outdated, or inaccurate, it can lead to bad decisions. So, making sure your data is clean and reliable is essential. And finally, we have value, arguably the most important one. It's not enough to just collect tons of data. That data has to be used in a way that delivers real insights and drives better outcomes. Otherwise, it's just digital clutter. Now, because big data is so large and complex, it often requires networks of computers working together and powerful tools to process and analyze it effectively. Fortunately, with the right setup, even the biggest data challenges become manageable. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.